Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable biometric auth with Android BiometricPrompt, full guide step by step clearly. To enable biometric authentication using the Android BiometricPrompt API, begin by ensuring your project is set up correctly. Open your Android project in Android Studio. Make sure your app's build.gradle file includes the necessary dependencies. Add the biometric dependency to your app-level build.gradle file. Sync your project to download the required libraries. Next, create the necessary permissions in your Android manifest.xml file. Include the use_biometric permission. Check that the minimum SDK version is set to at least API level 28. Now, create a new class for the biometric authentication logic. Define a method to initialize the biometric prompt. In this method, create an instance of biometric prompt. Use a biometricPrompt.authentication callback to handle authentication results. Implement the onAuthentication succeeded method to handle successful authentication. Handle failures by implementing onAuthentication failed. Define a method to prompt the user for biometric authentication. In this method, build a biometricPrompt.promptInfo object. Set the title, description, and device credential options for the prompt. Call the authenticate method on the biometric prompt instance. Pass the prompt info and the callback you previously set up. Make sure to check for biometric features on the device. Use the Biometric Manager to verify the availability of biometric hardware. Handle the cases where biometrics are not enrolled or not permitted. Handle potential exceptions during authentication for user feedback. Test your implementation thoroughly on different devices. Ensure your app gracefully falls back to alternative authentication methods if needed. Finally, deploy and monitor the app for user feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.